Hello, this is John from Revit for Interior Designers. I want to give you a demonstration of what will be accomplished in this intermediate level Revit training class. This course would normally take 12 weeks. 2 hours per week is recommended. However, this is self-paced and pre-recorded, so everyone can complete this class based on their own schedule. This course was produced in Revit 2020. Therefore, any version of Revit 2020 or above can be used. This is a 3D view of the exterior of our library project. We will produce everything from floor plan through elevations, focusing on both the interior and exterior of this building. Here's a list of sample drawings from the class. We'll focus on creating presentation drawings in both black and white and color. In addition, I will share techniques to create enlarged floor plans, sections, furniture, and finished floor plans. Upon completing this course, you will have produced a similar model and professional set of drawings as shown here. Feel free to contact me with any questions you have regarding this class at our website, www.revit4id.com.